All right, hello everybody. Thanks for tuning in. My name is Mark, aka the Stock Market Jobber, and I decided to do this Stock Market Jobber to teach people. There's so much myth about what goes on Wall Street, and a lot of people lose a lot of money because they don't know what they're doing. I spent 20 years in the institutional trading world. I traded directly for Steve Cohen, for Mario Gabelli, two of the greatest in the history. I was the head of trading at three different institutional money managers. I was a market maker. So I've been around the block a few times. And when I got to the point where I said, this is time in my life where I should quote unquote give back, I figured what could be better than to teach people about trading, right? Because then if people have successful lives, they can help other people and they can give back. Um, so check out my website. It's called stockmarketjobber.com. We're trying to build our community. So far we got some really good members. We look at a lot of different things, ETFs, stocks, so forth and so on. But anyway, let me quit boring you. Let's take a look at Apple. This is our stock of the day. And this teaches an important lesson. One of the important lessons in markets is how support levels can turn into resistance. And this is why Apple, apparently as of now, has stalled out at this 135 level. This black line is 135. Notice how it was support. When a market's going lower, there's not enough demand or uh, buy orders to absorb all of the supply or sell orders. As a result, people who want to sell need to offer their shares at a discount. And that forces a downtrend. When we get down to a support level, things change. All of a sudden, there's enough buyers to take in all the supply, or enough demand or buy orders to take in all the supply or all the sell orders. Now, sometimes when a support level breaks, a lot of the investors who bought back here, they get buyer's remorse. A lot of them tell themselves, damn, I shouldn't have bought. It was stupid. I want to get out of this position, but I'm not going to get out of it and lose money. So if it gets back up to my price level, I'm going to sell it. I would be willing to bet if you're listening to my voice right now, it's probably happened to you. So notice how the level that was support, as at least for now, turned into resistance. Support becomes resistance. Buyer's remorse. People bought when the price went lower. A lot of them regret their decision. They want to get out at break even. So in Apple, over the next few days, we just got to watch this 135 level. This is the biggest stock in the market, so that gives us a lot of importance. And if Apple can't get back above this level over the next few days, there's a really good chance it trends lower. All right, so that's it. Just a quick little look at Apple there. Remember to come check out stockmarketjobber.com. People ask me, where does the name Stock Market Jobber come from? Well, I'm a big history buff. And stock market jobber was a degrading term back, when the country was founded, because a lot of the people didn't understand what goes on in banks and so forth. There was the Jeffersonians who were interested in agriculture, and there were the Hamiltonians who were interested in the market. But anyway, regardless, we're not going to talk about that. I'm a big fan of history. I think stockmarketjobber.com is a great name for our site because we talk a lot about history and we talk a lot about the markets. So make sure you check our site out. Uh, Let us know if you want subscriptions or push notifications. And that's it. Thank you, everybody. Happy trading. I will talk to you soon.